here she is, large and in charge. This package is a fun package. I know that you guys have heard me talk about my brothers a lot. I'm the eldest of 5. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. My youngest brothers are twins. They are like my children. They're my babies. So even though they're almost pushing 30, I still see them that way. So anytime they do something for me, like I get really, really giddy. It's just like a proud parent moment, even though I'm their older sister, not their mother. But that's just how it feels like for me. The brother that sent me this, he's actually in the army and he was stationed in Korea. I took a peek of what's in here, just like a little glance, because it was heavy and we haven't heard from him in a long time, and I was fucking scared. I was like, what is in there? Like, I hope nothing happened to him. You know what I mean? So it was just me overthinking things. So I was like, let me just open it. But then when I saw what I saw, I was like, this motherfucker. We're Mexican, okay? We don't communicate as much as normal families do, especially my family. We're not very lovey-dovey or whatnot. But if we ever need each other, in a heartbeat, okay? Period. Like I said, so he went to Korea, and this fucking massive box is full of hella fucking snacks. Korean snacks. Like, I don't know si me vio con la cara de hambre or what. Like, I'm a little suspicious as to, like, this is a lot of shit. And I'm hoping he tried everything and he really liked it. So he's like, let me send some to my amazing sister so she can have some too. And it's not more of some payback for her scaring me when I was a child. So let's see what's in here. This is what I want to try, okay? Korean Cheetos. I think they're hot Cheetos, but they're not like red, like our Cheetos. But I want to try them. I'm going to try these. I really want to try them. I think that's the thing that I'm the most excited about. Doritos. What flavor is this? Seasoned chicken flavor? Kids will eat anything. They'll eat that. Spicy garlic prawn Pringles. Okay. You know what's funny? Like, this brother is a snacker, okay? So now I'm thinking about it, and I'm pretty sure he did try all of this stuff and more things. What is this, a cookie? Cute. Gummies. More gummies, I think. They look like gummies, like, yeah. ¿Qué es esto? There's chocolate on it. What's this? Oh, there's 3 of these. Liquid-filled bubblegum. Like little tennis balls. He sent me 3 of them. Why would you send me 3? You guys are probably thinking you're just being fucking paranoid. If you have brothers, you know what I'm talking about. But maybe you're just being nice, you know? Gummies. Oh, I think these are like Pop Rocks. I think they're like Pop Rocks. Yeah. More of those things. Who knows? Maybe they're not Pop Rocks. Maybe they're just sour. Milk jelly. More gummies. More gummies. Yes, su madre. Potato crisps. They're the same, so I have 2 of these. Why'd you send me 2? More of those little paleta things. I don't know what is this. Peanuts? More gummies. I love gummies. My oldest daughter, Eva, loves Twizzlers. So I think this is like their version of it. I think she's gonna like these. She's probably like, yeah, I'll send my niece what she likes. Chocolate cookie. yogurt chocolate cookie. Mochi cookies. Chocolate chip mochi cookies. Should we film trying these? More chocolate cookies. I love chocolate. I think we should film trying these. But I'll have like all of us try it. I think it'll be fun. But in that case, then I'll do it on my family page. So if you're not following me on my family page, go do that. And then that way you guys know like what I deal with my kids and my husband. I think it'll be fun because my youngest, Elena, she's 6. She is so picky. And she has no filter. She is the middle child, okay? So that girl has a mouthpiece. She will tell you what she's thinking. She doesn't care if she's hurting your feelings. So I think it'll be kind of funny to have her try some of this stuff. Because if you want honest, have a 6-year-old try things. Go ahead and follow us. I'll tag it. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to try these gummy things. I'm excited to try the mochi cookies and these Cheetos. I'm really tempted to just opening it and eating it right now. But I'll wait until my kids get home so they can try it. But I really want to try it. I'm going to save my thank you to you, brother, until after we try all this. Because I don't know if you really did it to be nice or if you did it to be a butthole. We'll see about that. I'm a little iffy about you. I will thank you for thinking about us. But I'm not going to think about what's in that box yet until after I try it. But thank you for thinking about us. Asshole.